Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to add customer product reviews on your homepage in Shopify. So there are two ways to do it. Either you can create a custom code on your homepage. So how does that work is you need to head over to online store and then click on edit theme. Here what you can do is simply add a section for your reviews. Click on plus icon and add a section template. Here you can add, let's just say if you search for review, you are gonna be getting something like this. So you can see we do not have any app, but if you head up to apps, you can simply use the import and export app to add top rated reviews. You can see this section is added. Now over here we can add different kind of settings, so this allows us to simply modify different kind of you can see you can simply refresh your page if it is not working, because sometimes Shopify plugins just glitch out. So you can see it is now loaded, and we have a couple of reviews over here that you can easily um, change from the backend section. Since we are on the theme editor section, we can only set the number of let's just say its color. We can change it to maybe red, so the chip color is going to be red now. Over here we have our headings. If you want to simply decrease the container radius, you can do that. And yeah, so this is basically how you can add the reviews on homepage, and it is added on homepage. So I hope this is going to be helping out. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe, and see you around in the next video.